Started in 1995, Libo Group has been manufacturing and exporting high-quality copper products across the globe. The group has two companies, Libo Metals Private Limited and Omega Rolling Mills Private Limited. Both of the companies are involved in the manufacturing of copper and copper-based products. In an interview with Wiring Cable India, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, who is the managing director at Libo Group, shares an overview of the company, the two subdivisions of Libo Group, their manufacturing capabilities, the product range, and the group's future plans. The manufacturing plant in Daman has an annual capacity of 15,000 metric tons. Beginning from the selection of the raw materials to the installation of cutting-edge machinery setup, the company is thoroughly committed to be sustainable in its entire production operations. The other plant, Omega Rolling Mills Private Limited, situated in Boisar, Tarapur in Maharashtra, is a fully equipped plant spanning about 6,000 square meter with a 6,000 metric ton annual capacity. The plant is equipped with a complete range of sophisticated machinery to undertake end-to-end production, conform extrusion, cold rolling and drawing, as well as a R&D unit. Their products find applications in a diverse range of industries including electrical panel board, thermal power, switch gear, wind power, transformer manufacturing, amongst a few others. Touching upon their future plans, Mr. Agarwal says, while maintaining an exorbitant pace of growth, one of the main goals for the next 2 years is to install and achieve a target of about 40,000 metric ton per annum by 2023. In addition, they plan to increase the customer base to reach more than 1,000 active customers.